Hey everyone, welcome back to the Technology Trends channel. Today, we're diving into the Galaxy Z Fold 7, and yes, we had a bit of a false alarm on the pricing rumors. So let's clear the air and talk specs, features, launch date, and what's really happening. 2 days ago, leaked marketing material from Italy suggested a €200 price hike for the Fold 7 and €100 for the Flip 7, which many of us feared would translate to $200 for $100 USD respectively. I even made a video about it, and then deleted it. Why? Because the very next day, credible sources confirmed there's no price increase after all. Samsung Unpacked is happening July 10, 2025, and you can already reserve your Fold 7 or Flip 7 now. No payment required, just first name, last name, and email. You'll also get $50 Samsung credit just for reserving. Links in the description. This year, Samsung has gone all in. The Fold 7 will be the thinnest foldable ever, just 10.5mm folded, and more pocketable than ever. Inside, expect a massive 7.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X inner display and 6.3-inch outer screen, both with 120Hz refresh and slimmer bezels. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy or possibly the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite, paired with 12 to 16 GB RAM and up to 1 TB storage. Battery: 4,600 mAh, 45W wired fast charging, 25W wireless, plus reverse wireless charging. Expect an upgraded 200 megapixels main camera, with telephoto and ultrawide support, rivaling the S24 Ultra. And yes, there's still a 4 megapixels under display inner camera, plus a 10 megapixel selfie shooter on the cover screen. S Pen Fold Edition support continues, no built-in silo though. More importantly, the Fold 7 ships with One UI 8 based on Android 16, bringing smarter multitasking, flex mode improvements, and eye-assisted features. Now here's a twist. The Z Flip the 7th of May actually drop in price by $100, especially if it uses the Exynos 2500. Early leaks hint at a larger full cover display, finally ditching the windowed look, and Android 16 out of the box. Samsung needs to improve the front screen experience, natively allowing more apps, better widgets, and ditching the need for good lock just to make the front display usable. Hopefully One UI 8 fixes this. Motorola's made big gains with the Razr Plus, and Samsung has to answer. If the Flip 7 starts at $999 or less and Fold 7 stays at $1,799, with major improvements across the board, that's a win for Samsung and for us. Again, no obligation, no payment. Just reserve your spot, get $50 Samsung credit, and get early access. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications.